Okay, so let's move on to class. So last class we discussed about what is Ansible role and how to create role and how to execute role and all already we seen, right? Today we'll see continuation and all. So already yesterday we created one playbook, right? So same playbook I am going to convert into role. Same playbook I am converting into role. So yesterday, so this is the playbook, right? HTTPD we written. So same thing I am going to convert into the see here. So as the host group name and now we given task section, right? Under the task section,
So please unmute yourself, sir.
so sorry, this is the so yesterday, sorry, I it is muted, right? So yesterday we written one playbook, right? Ansible playbook. Same playbook we are going to convert into role. How it will work? So already we are using package model, and so name we given HTTPD and state state equal to present. Okay, and also we use right so notify is parallel to okay, so this one model only. So whatever you want, so same. Next, handlers, right? So now handlers is equal to task parallel. Okay, HN handlers. Under handlers, we can give name equal to which notify we given test same service model. H remaining story same only. Name equal to HTTPD and state equal to restart or reload. State equal to restart, reload, loaded. Okay, anything. So this is the playbook. And the same thing we can convert into we are splitting. So task section we are going to write a task, or variable section we are going to write variables, and handler section I am going to write a handler, and everything I am going to split it. Okay, so anyone any doubt that yesterday playbook? Now let's come to let me connect my server. Now we'll see so how it will work. If you understand playbook, we can easily understand role also. Role is nothing but we are going to split multiple files. That's it. Same playbook we are going to update in role only. We are not going to do anything. That's it. Multiple place we are going to add it. Okay. So sudo hyphen I switch user hyphen dev and so now go to here Ansible hyphen m ping next dev apps. Let me check my instance and all. Okay. Now, so yesterday I created one role. What is my role name? cd space httpd role, right? httpd role. So now here these are the directory structure. I hope if we create any role, so if we create any role, this is the directory structure. And yesterday I declare one variable here. If you want to, we declare here also. Both are same guys. But first preference goes to variable section, or else we can declare variables default directory also. Default directory also. Now see here, this is the main.yml file. Yesterday I declared one sudo cd space vars vars and cat space main.yml. Now see here, yesterday I declare sorry, one variable. This is the key and this is the value. And I printed right where we have to, where I printed this variable. I printed. If you want to print, we are using one model, debug model. So that is the model, right? So models and all where we need to call
tasks.
task section. Now come here and cd space task section under so cat space main.yml. Now see here, just debug. Debug is the one model. Message. Message means if you want to print anything. Now see here, this is my variable name. I am printing. So now if you want to run this, now remaining and all I didn't touch. This and all I didn't touch. Both are same only. If you want to declare variable here also, and so files you don't know, leave this and all. Right as of now I updated this one and I updated this one. Now if you want to run playbook, if you want to run role, we need to create one playbook, right? So yesterday we created one playbook, that's it. Directly we cannot run role, we need to create one playbook. What is the playbook yesterday I created? So this is right, cat space run httpd playbook. This is right. Now see here, only just a host name we need to mention, and so remaining roles, this is tag, and here we can call your role name. See here, httpd role name should be matched with your role name, that's it. So remaining concept same only, it should be matched with the role name, it should be matched with the role name. So anyone any doubt? So how to run? Remaining story same only, ansible hyphen playbook, ansible hyphen playbook, ansible hyphen playbook, playbook name. What is my playbook name? Run httpd, that's it. Now see here, now just dev apps. So this is the playbook variable. If you pass runtime variable, now we can override hyphen e or I and c underscore name, c underscore name. This is a which variable? Playbook variable or runtime variable?
Runtime name.
Runtime variable. So like this we are passing, just I am giving variable name. Now see here, now we won't get so DevOps, now we are getting Terraform. This is the runtime variable, and so first preference goes to runtime variable. If there is no runtime variable, next go to playbook variable. If there is no playbook variable, go to host variable. If there is no host variable, go to group variable. All means so based on your wish it will call, that's it. So now I am going to, I hope clear, right? Anyone any doubt here? So I touched only these two. So now I hope you clear, right? cd space ll cd space httpd role. Okay, httpd role, right? Now tree section, tree. Now we know. So what is variable? Now what is and all, how to call that and all. Now I want to install, right? So this is the task section. This is the task section, and this is the handler section. If you want to, we can write entire task section, or if you want to, we can split into task and handler also. Same thing I am converting to role. Now anyone, now this is data, right? So this data I am going to add here. So this and all I am going to add task section, handler section, and this and all I am going to add in task section. That's it. Now I need to copy one file. Here also we did something, right? Here I am using copy for understanding purpose. Right? For welcome page purpose, I created one index.html file. In that file, we add something, right? So that and also I am going to do. So if you want to do that, yesterday I used right copy model, right? Copy model, and there is two ways is there. One is file directory, and other one is template directory. So file means this is the static data. If we want to pass, if we have any static data, static is nothing but a fixed, it won't change anytime. Templates and all mostly dynamic data, that's it. If you want to remember, dynamic data. Now we have two directories, files directory and templates directory. In interview also most of the people they are asking, so what is difference between files and templates? Now understand it. Files means mostly some static files. It won't change anytime, fixed data. So that files and all we are keeping the files directory. Suppose any dynamic data. Runtime I am passing something. I want to read that data. So that case we go for templates. First I am using files. We can understand. Next we will see template. Now go to here. Go to here and cd space files. Cd space files ll. Okay. Now do we have any file here? No, right? Do we have any file here? No. So I'm going to create one file, sudo vi index dot html file, html or jsp file, anything. Now insert, I'm adding some data. This is the static, guys. Okay. Just I've given for understanding purpose. This file is coming from files directory or not. You can easily understand. I created one file. So which directory? Files directory. And here also I'm going to add httpd server. Whatever you want, we can use it. This is your wish. This is the static data. I added something. Your understanding purpose, whatever you want, we can only checking, right? Just font. H1 means H2 means I am decreasing the font size. That's it. Now file is I keep in which directory? Try to understand. I created file. Which directory? Template directory or file directory?
Files.
File. File means this is static data. Every time same data will come. So now see here these two lines I am expecting while running the server. Now that is done. Now go to, so remaining part. Now go to here and this part. Where I need to add this part? What is the section? This is a task. So now we need to add this data in task section. That's it. Okay. Now come outside. See this first tasks task section, and so sudo vi main.yml. Okay. So insert. Okay. Now this is the task section. Now add this one, whatever you want. Mm, okay. Now here no need to add again task. So don't add like task. Why don't need to add this task and all? Already we are in task directory only, correct? Again no need to add task and all. I hope you got it right. So here no need to add. You are in task directory only. Ansible rows knows if you write something, it is treated as under task only. We need to execute. So that is the reason no need to write again task. So simply hyphen name whatever install httpd server. Mm. Next we use one model. Which model? Package model. Remaining story same only. Mm. Whatever you want, we can use it. Name httpd. Next state present. Next I used one copy. We need to copy, right? I am using a file model. So now we can use copy. Copy present. Any typo error? No, right? Hyphen name HTML for understanding purpose. Index file, copy index file to which directory? I need to var slash, this is the default installation directory, right? HTML. Same message we can see. Mm. What is the model? Copy. Next. Mm.
Source.
SRC. SRC. Two spaces, right? We are following two space. SRC index dot HTML. Next. Destination path. Where you want to copy? Same path.
Where the yes.
www slash HTML. That's it. Okay. Now, so now if you want to print, we can print it. Now I use a notify method, right? I use a notify method. Mm. So when installing, while copying this, I want to load the server. Notify this is equal. Now tell me here, we need to give one name, right? We can give any name. What name you want? Give some name. For example, here I am giving DevApps or HTTP server. Okay, or HTTPD, reload HTTPD server. That's it. So now clear? Clear? Anyone, any doubt, guys? This part done. Task section. Now we need to go handler section. We need to go handler section. Same thing. Anyone, any doubt here? అర్థమవుతుందా? So
Yes, sir.
same file I'm going to split multiple files. That's it. I'm not going to do anything. That is the role. That's it. Now escape colon X. Now go to here. Come outside. CD space handler section. So handler sudo vi main dot yml. Okay. Now do I need to handle type handlers here? Handlers and type చేయాలా అవసరం
No,
లేదా?
no, sir.
No, right, because we are in handlers only. Okay, now we need to give name only. We need to give name only. Okay, name equal to r h r httpd. That's it. Now we are using so now we are using name equal to load the service, reload the service. Whatever you want, that is your wish. What is the model we used for restart the service? Service model, and so name equal to httpd. Next, state equal to what?
Based.
Reloaded. Correct? That's it. Now this entire part I am returning into the handler section. This entire part I updated in the task section, and that's it. Anyone, any doubt here? Escape colon X. Escape colon X. Now, so clear, guys? Tree, not here. Go back. Tree. So now, so task section I updated, and file section also I created one file, index.txt file, and handler section also updated, and this is also everything right. Okay. Now go back. ll So rm space rf. I'm going to delete index and all, everything I don't want, or else we are confusion, right? Which one it is calling. Now I don't have anything. So my index file, files directory, and the remaining I updated. Now how to run your role? Ansible hyphen playbook. Next, what is run httpd hyphen syn syntax. Just I'm checking syntax. If we have any errors, we can check it. Hmm. What is the error? Error syntax YML file did not find expected document start. Error appears to be home directory handlers main line number 4, column number 1. Else in the file depending on the exact syntax. Problem is
Indentation problem.
now
Name
go.
HTTPD or HTTPD and name reload the HTTPD server.
Okay, now go to here. First go to your directory, role directory. Where is your role? This is the handlers, correct? No, not this one. So ll cd space httpd role. Okay, under cd space handlers, under sudo vi main.yml. What is the problem?
First line itself, indentation
Okay,
problem. Yeah.
now escape colon x. Now go back. Now go back. Now run this same. Okay. Hyphen syntax. Hmm. Line number 3, column number 3, but may else in the depending on the exact syntax problem. Notify handlers, hyphen name. Okay. cd space httpd role. cd space httpd role. Okay. ll cd space handlers. Okay. ls sudo va main dot yml. Now remove this and all. Insert. Okay. What is the notify name? Correct? Always I want to reload. Name correct? Handler name. Correct or missing?
I think in the RHTTP is
Okay. Escape colon X. Now go to here. First come back. LL. Now back. Okay. Now clear. Now so this is check everything okay. Now run this. So before that, let me connect H SSH. So Ansible hyphen play ping Ansible hyphen m ping dev apps. Let me check whether that already installed. I'm going to remove it. SSH at dev apps. Just I'm connecting my client 84 is available or not. Paste it. So LL. Okay. Now how to check the service? System system CTL status
HTTP.
HTTPD whether it is available or not. So now see here it is available but it is inactive. Okay. If you want to uninstall also sudo m uninstall httpd hyphen y. What happens?
M removes.
M remove. Sorry. M remove. M remove httpd hyphen y. Remove also not there.
Spellings. Remove. Unremove.
Re M remove httpd. Okay. I'm going to remove that set. Okay. Now check this command. Now status. I don't have anything. I don't have http and all. Clear. Now same exit from the client and connect. So one more mission also. Now we have doubt, right? Just I'm cross verify. Already if it is available, I'm going to delete it. SSH dev apps IP. Sorry. 47 sys system ctl status httpd system ctl
Status spelling.
status httpd. So here also available m remove sudo m remove httpd -y. That's it. Yesterday we tried, right? So now I'm going to uninstall it. Now everything, nothing is there, nothing happening. Now system, now exit from this client, and this is the server, this is the server, this is the server, this is the server. Okay, now run our playbook. So this is server, right? Now go to here. Now I'm going to run system ctl. Now installing the httpd server and copying index file also. Now see here, installed httpd service. Sorry, service. Now copied this one also. Now task, this is the variable debug I added, right? This one. Now anyway, now running handler also, see here, running handler also running. That's it. Now how to check whether my server is running or not? Copy any client, anyway 2 clients it is installed, right? Go to any one client. I am go to here. So before that, check whether that 80 port number allowed or not. So go to where is this security group, click on this. So allow 80, allow or not, anyway allow. Now go back, click on instance, copy anyone, copy this public IP and go to here, just paste it. Now see here, so this is the welcome roles file directory. Which content we added, same this one or hello, clear,
Same file.
or any changes?
Yeah.
Same content, right? Or else go and check it that file, that's it. So ll same content or not, I am checking. Cd space httpd from role under role. Where is that file? Cd space static file, right? Files directory cat space main.txt main ll and cat space index dot directory. Now see here, it is coming or not? This is the static. If we have any server, now this is one server, right? If you want to, we can go and now 2 missions I deployed successfully. Go to here, this is the one client, this is the one client, and also this is one more also. Copy this public IP, this is 248 and this is the 37. Now check it, same mission. If it is not running means what I need to do? Security group, port number
Port
allowed or
number.
not? Allowed on, right? Public or which one we copied? So go to here, instances. So this is the server and this is the client only. 2 missions. Where is this? 241. If you want to, we can check manually also whether service is running or else anyway it is working. See here, welcome to httpd server service and got it. So anyone any doubt here? Now this same file I converted into this section, added into the handler. This section add onto the task. Variables and all added into the variable section. And so now we are going to template section. Now clear guys, this directory structure clear? Anyone any doubt? Hello?
Yes.
Now cd space httpd. Now how it is working, just try to understand. TRE. Now see here. Now we know. So handlers, how it will work. Now we know what is the task section. Now we know what is the variable section. Now file section. File section means which type of files we are keeping here. What type of files?
Static
Static or
files.
dynamic files?
Statics.
Static only. Suppose if you want to use template directory. If you want to use template directory. If you want to use template directory, so we can use same only. Same only. Instead of keeping file here, I am keeping here only. That's it. Okay. Now I am going to create one more. Try to understand how it will work. Now go here. Now I am creating one role. Ansible hyphen GLAXI Galaxy init. Okay. Test template test template. Okay. Anything test template. That's it. Now go to here. Remaining story same only. And what I need to do, only task, and first I'm go to here cd space httpd role. Okay, cd space task task sections, and ls cat space main.yml. Cat main, just I'm copying same thing, I don't want to do anything. That's it. Okay, copy this one, and where I need cd cd and cd space test template. Okay, cd space variable section, and ll sudo vi main.yml file. So insert same only, right? Just I'm going to change only one thing. Just try to understand what I changed. Now I don't want here so copy model. Now I am going to use a template model. That's it. My file is I am going to keep in template directory. TMPLATE template. Okay. That's it. Remaining story same only. So whatever you want we can update. Template template. Okay. Now I need to create one file here also. One file here also. If you don't want to remove this one, I don't want this debug and all variables and all. If you have confusion, remove this one also. That is your wish. Remaining story same only. Okay, httpd. That's it. And so template index dot file, right? Now go to escape colon x. Now pwd test only, right? Come back. Now I am not go to so file directory. I am not go to file directory. Just I am going to sorry ll tre. Okay. Now I don't want to create file here. I am going to create one file here, template directory. So now go to here cd space template, cd space templates, and I don't have any file. Just create one file. That's it. So sudo vi index.html insert. Okay, just I am printing. Welcome to template httpd server service, whatever you want. Just I am expecting this message whether really it is calling or not. Remaining story nothing. Escape colon x. So now cat space index.html. Clear guys? Okay. So this is content, right? Dynamic data. I need to do dynamic data, how it will come. So dynamic data, and I need to add how it will come? Insert dynamic means I declare one variable, right? So welcome to login user, login user, just I'm giving our login or running course name argument, right? Running course. This and all your wish, guys. Nothing. This and all optional only. Course. Hmm. How to print? How to print variable name? What is the variable name? I declare one variable, right? What is that variable name? Or as of now, I didn't declare. I can give or else where underscore username. Username. Okay. So I given where underscore username. That's it. So double quotation is mandatory or not mandatory? Yeah, right?
Mandate.
Mandatory, yeah?
Yes.
Printing, right? Okay. So, okay, that's it. Now I'm going to declare one variable where underscore username. So now escape colon x. Uh, Now tell me where you want to create variables and all, mostly where we are going to create which directory? Variables and all. Variable directory, or else we can declare here also. Already I declared here, right, earlier. Now I'm going to declare here. Anyway, first preference variables, or else we can declare here also. cd space default directories and ll sudo vi main.yml. What is sudo vi main.yml? And so insert, declare that variable. What is the variable name, guys? Variable name where underscore user name colon, and by default I am giving so devapps. Okay, that's it. Escape colon x. Now anything missing? Now variable name, this is the dynamic data. Every time we can pass any course name, and that course name it will display into the UI. That's it. Go back ll. So now tree. Now check it. Now one file I keep it here, index.html. And so here I declare one variable default. Earlier I declare variable section. Now I declare default section. Anywhere, that is your wish. First preference variable directory, or else we can create here also. Now handler, we need to update handler also, right? Now I'm go and copy same thing. Already I copied pasted here also. Now go to here, same content only. cd space httpd role ll and cd space handler section and cat space main. I need to give this one also. Copy. Now go back. cd space test template. cd space handlers. Just I copied, nothing. Don't confuse here. ఆ డేటాని జస్ట్ నేను కాపీ చేసుకొని వచ్చుకున్నా. That's it. Instead of typing, if you want, we can type manually also. Instead of typing, just I copied the data, same only. Only I change the templates only. Apart from this, nothing, no change. Okay. So now tree. Now go back one step, tree. Now anyone any doubt, guys, here? I think I declare variable here, and earlier we see file directory, now template directory. I keep my file here, and this is the main. Here I didn't declare any variable and all, and task section I added. So if you want to, you can go and check it. Task sections and ll cat space main.yml. Nothing, where we are in test template. Already we say we are in which directory? Task only, right? సేవ్ చేయలేదా నేను? pwd, let me check it. Home template, test template only, and cd cd space handlers cat space main. This is okay. And cd space default cat space main data. This is okay. I declare one variable where underscore username and go back cd space vars not variables task task section and cat space main dot yml. Oh, where I copied earlier, I copied and saved, right?
You copied in where section.
Where okay, cd space where and go and cut here. Why in it where? This is wrong. Sudo vi main dot yml, not where, right? We need to task. Okay, copy and insert. This is a variable section. Sorry, I added here. No need to add here. This is we need to add in under task section, not variable section. I hope you got it right. So go back cd space task section under task section sudo vi main.yml. Here we need to paste it, not in variable section. Variable section, what is the purpose? Instead declaring the variables only. Task sections and all we need to add under the task only. This is the package one module, right? Template and all. Escape colon x. That's it. Now everything clear. Now come back. Now go to here. Before that, so Ansible hyphen m ping devapps. Let me connect and install. We need to do right, or else it will go. SSH or devapps at I'm connecting my client. Okay, one mission. Just I'm going to remove everything. So or else we can create. So sudo yum remove httpd hyphen y. Okay, clear the screen. Exit and one more IP. Sorry, ping. Now copy this devapps hyphen address. That's it. Now sudo remove httpd hyphen y. Not matched. Nothing to do. Already it is removed. Unable to read. Removed or not? Correct only, right? IP. What about 84? Which machine I removed earlier? 84 or now
What is
go
that?
to 47. దీనిలో తీసేసాను కదా ఫస్ట్ మిషన్ నోడ్
Let's say,
లేదా ఓకే SSH devapps underscore at not underscore copy 84 and just paste it. Okay, sudo yum remove httpd hyphen y. Okay, here I didn't remove. Okay, that's it. Now exit from. Now go to your role. What is same playbook, right? I am going to run same playbook only. So Ansible hyphen playbook. Next, what is the playbook name? Run playbook hyphen syntax hyphen check. Clear. Now go and check it here. Now see here it is installing. Now everything okay. HTML done. Now go to here copy IP. Anyway, already IP is there, right? Earlier it is coming from welcome to HTTP server we are getting, right? Now refresh it. Now we need to change data. Or else first go and check here any one mission. I'm connecting 84 and system CTL, check the status, that's it. Status HTTPD inactive. Why it is not running? CD space. What about this mission? 84 exit. Both are exit, not started. 84, one more mission. 8447. System CTL status HTTPD. CDs VR www and HT cat space index. That is the problem. That directory is not removed. Okay, now what I need to do, just try to understand. I'm going to remove entire directory. First sudo yum remove if you want to clarify yum remove httpd -y. Okay, after that sudo rm -rf / variable ww. Right. Okay, now same way exit from here and 84, connect 84 mission sudo yum remove httpd -y. Okay, now sudo rm -rf /var /ww. Okay, now we don't have cd place variable ww and all not available. Now come outside. Now here, now run it. Now everything is deleted. That is existing directory already available. That is the reason file is not copied. Now everything I removed, right? Now see here, I copying file also done. Now changes also see 3. Changes also 3. Now go to here. Now just refresh. Now wait. Now see here, still not same data. Sorry. Oh, okay. So now welcome to, still not updated. Now check it. Template file, which file it is copied actually? First check it which file it is actually copied. So now go to here 84, just I am checking. Okay, where variable ww, so cd space html cat space index data. This file is coming, something it is duplicated. Now
Mark and move to file directory. Just move to file directory.
now exit. I am also checking same thing only, cd space test template directory, right? ll cd space files, nothing is there. Now it is role is correct only, right?
Uh,
I did one mistake. All are
In the role
all are
problem.
all are just watching only. They didn't identify anything. In role, I need to give my role name, right? I give an existing previous role name. That is the reason. This is my role name actually. Copy this one and go back. CD space. అందరు మర్చిపోయినారా? రోల్ నేమ్ అప్డేట్ చేయాలి కదా. sudo vi run html. Here, what is the role name I given? This is the previous role. That is the reason every time it is copying that file only. So now my role changed, right? What is my role name? This is my role name. I hope you got it right.
Yes.
Srinath garu, clear ah?
Yeah, yeah, clear.
So that is the reason every time we are getting same only. Now go to connect that mission. Now you can see dynamic data how it will work. Now I am going to 84 sudo m remove -y, not hyphen remove httpd tpd, and also I am going to sudo rm -rf /var/ww directory also I am removing. That's it. Now 47 mission. Where is this 47? Sorry, exit, right? This is the client.
Exit. Yeah, yes.
This is 47. Next mission. Okay, now exit. Now go and check it. Okay, now go to here. Now just refresh it. Now see here, DevOps it is coming, right? Now default it is a variable name. I declare one variable in default directory. Now that variable name it is coming. Now I am going to give dynamic data. How to give dynamic data? -e variable underscore username 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 equal to I am giving for example Terra AWS just I given. Now go to here. Now go to here. Now see here, whichever data we are passing runtime, automatically it will show updating. So if you want to dynamic data, so that and all we need to keep in a template directory. So static and all we need to keep in files directory. I hope you got it right. Anyone any doubt? So now anytime you whatever data we are passing dynamically, and so here I'm giving so see here Ansible. So now I am running. Now go to here, just refresh it, any server, not that one only. Now see here Ansible. Got it? So this is the static or dynamic. Runtime, whatever I am passing, automatically it is coming in UI. So this is the dynamic. If you want to get dynamic data, you need to keep in template. Okay, static and all files. Just simply remember static and all files directory, dynamic data files and all also template directory. I hope you got it right. Anyone any
Yes.
doubt? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now
Yes.
see here cd space ll. Now almost we cover right. What we missing? cd space test template tree. Okay. So now here there is a one metadata. Metadata means mostly we can update, we can add. So who is the author? what purpose we written this role and all, that and all we can add here. See here, cd space metadata, so ll c sudo va main.yml. Now see here, who is the author? We can add your name in real time. So this is also very important. సో మన రోల్ రాసామనుకో, రోల్ ఎవరు రాశారు, ఎప్పుడు రాశారు, పర్పస్ ఏమి, వీ నీట్ యాడ్ సమ్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ అబౌట్ యువర్ రోల్. సీ హియర్, గెలాక్సీ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్. Galaxy is the one website, right? We are going to upload these roles in our Galaxy website, and this is a reusable purpose, right? Anyone can download, they can reuse it. So that case, who is the author, who the description, what is the company name, and so some versions, which version you are using. If we have some information about your role and that and all, we can mostly add in the metadata directory. Metadata means this is author information, which version we are using, what is the purpose of this role. For understanding purpose, we need to update everything in the this file. This is optional. If you want to, we can add it. That is your wish. Okay, but real time we are also adding this information and all. That is now. So one more, what it is missing. This is the test. Test means here we can see inventory and test.yml file. So now go to here. What a content we can see, cd space test directory. Under test directory we can see two files. Okay, so first sudo vi inventory file. If you open this, now we can see by default it is local host is there. By default it is local host is there. If you want to run specifically particular host, and that case we can give your name and we can run it. Give our name and we can run it. Got it? So as of now it is local host. No sir, I want to run some specific host mission. So that and all, just update here your IP, and particularly we need to run this particular file. If you want to run particular this inventory file, this is the syntax. If you want to, we can try it. So if you want to run, so as of now I am running like this, right? As of now I am running, so like this. Where is this? cd pack, see here, control c. Okay, cd. So as of now I am running like this, right? As of now I am running, what is this? Where? I am running here, right? Now, so if you want to run specifically, if you want to call that specific inventory file, so specific inventory file, and that case we need to use hyphen I. That case we can use hyphen I is nothing but inventory file hyphen I, and we need to give that particular path. Where is that available? Test. What is our role? Test. We need to give test template template slash. Where is your inventory file? Under test directory. Correct? Yes or no? So like this we need to mention. So now it is running which inventory file? So if you are not mentioning this one, by default, which file it is calling here? Anyone guess it? Suppose if I give like this, if I give, for example, test.yml file means which inventory file it is calling? I am giving like this. నేను ఇలా ఇస్తే ఏం కాల్ అవుతుంది? Default inventory file name. What is the default inventory file name? మర్చిపోయినారా? Default inventory file means
HOSTS.
host file, right? Where is that file is available? ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది మనకు ఫైల్ డిఫాల్ట్గా?
It is answer.
యాన్సిబుల్ ఇన్స్టలేషన్ డైరెక్టరీలో డిఫాల్ట్గా ఒక ఫైల్ ఉంటుంది మనకి. cd space variable slash etc configuration file ansible. Here ansible here, right? Here we have one file. This is the default inventory file. Now if you are not mentioning anything, which file it is calling? ఈ ఫైలే కాల్ అవుతుంది మనకి. దీంట్లో మనం చూడొచ్చు ఎన్ని ఐపీలు ఉన్నాయి, ఎన్ని మిషన్లో కనెక్ట్ అవుతున్నది. కరెక్ట్? Now based on this it is connecting, right? I don't want connect this. I don't want to execute this host file. I want to execute my separate, my custom inventory file. So that case, we need to give what is the syntax? Same syntax only, and we need to add hyphen I. Hyphen I means inventory file. Hyphen I means inventory file. We need to give here specifically if you want to run inventory file. So that case we need to give hyphen I. Which directory I mean? PWD. I mean same one, right? So Ansible hyphen playbook, and we need to use hyphen I. Where is your inventory file? You need to give that path. We need to give that path. So this is one syntax. Inventory file means a role name, test, template, and which directory? Test directory. Which directory? Test directory. Correct? Test directory. Now we can see one more directory also, right? What is that? We can see cd space test template. Test template. This is cd space test template. Okay. Under cd space test directory, this is the full path. We need to give up to this path, guys. Hyphen pwd. So we need to give up to this path. Test template to test. We need to give hyphen I. We need to give this full path. That's it. Up to this. Now we can see one more also, right? What is that? Sudo vi test.yml. Now see here what content we have. See, host, local host, root user, role. See, which information already? This is the root user. Remote underscore user means they are equal to root user. Role equal to test template. So if you want to specifically use a custom, I don't want call default host file. I don't want call default host file, and that case we can use this one. That case we can use also this one also. This one also test.yml file. This is the playbook or anything. Anyone guess it? What is this? ఏంది అసలు? Playbook only, right? See, this is the inventory file. This is the playbook. This is the playbook. As of now, I created my custom playbook and I created my own playbook. I executed. No, 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 sir. I don't want to create separately. I want to use this one under the test directory playbook name under the test directory. So inventory file. So that case we need to give like this only. How we are giving Ansible hyphen playbook space hyphen I inventory file. What is the inventory file? So here where is I given path? We need to give this up to this. This is the inventory file. My inventory file is available here. And where is your uh, where is your test.yml? I hope you got it right. అర్థమైందా అర్థం కాలే సింటాక్స్. Now here it is calling inventory file. That is the inventory file path. This is directly if you want to call this playbook, we can call this one. Clear? Anyone any doubt? If I am not mentioning anything, which inventory file it is calling default? Host file, right? If you are not mentioning anything, hyphen I nothing but inventory only. Okay, inventory file. Now this is the path. So like this, if you want to, we can call it. So this and all optional, that is not mandatory. If you have multiple roles, if you have multiple inventory files, and that case mostly you go for test directory, and here we can update and we can call these files also. We can call these files also. We can call these files also. Clear? Anyone any doubt here? I hope now we got some idea, right? What is Ansible role and how to write Ansible role? What is difference between playbook and Ansible role? Clear? What Shivasankar? Clear? Srinagar, clear?
Clear.